In this video, I'll show you how to fix a restricted Facebook business account using Meta's official troubleshooting steps. First, open your web browser on a computer and go to Meta Business Support Home. Sign in with the Facebook account that manages your business. Next, open Account Overview and select the restricted account you want to troubleshoot. Scroll down to the What You Can Do section, where Meta will show the required actions for your account. Complete identity verification if requested. Then secure your account by updating your password and enabling two-factor authentication. After completing all the required steps, click Request Review to send your account for review. Keep in mind that only a business admin can submit a review request. Also, if your ad account was disabled for a policy violation and remains ineligible for reinstatement for 6 months, any unused balance may not be recoverable according to Meta's policy. After submitting your review, wait for Meta to process your request and notify you of the result. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.